Hello guys, welcome to the Bashcomtech Powerful class. Today we'll be talking about a very unique topic, how to solve our 12560 protocol and data error in Oracle. Now, this error usually occurs when you want to log into Oracle. Let me show you how it looks like. So whenever you want to log into Oracle, when you see this error, whether you want to log in as a CDB user, Scott user, HR user, or system user in Oracle, you get error. So today's class we'll be talking about how do we resolve this error. So let's start. Now let's go to my name is Bashcomtech. So I have to do my introduction, which is very important. And now let's go back to business. So you open the Oracle platform. That's the first thing you do. Now log in as, let's say you want to log in as a 6DBA user. So type /s. There's the smaller case. So you can see the error. Yes, so you are seeing our 12560 TNS protocol and data error. Now, how do we resolve this issue? It's so simple. The first thing you do, you have to go to your services. You go, just type services. Yeah. Then when you go to services, you now look for where the Oracle component is. You understand? Oracle services component is. So you scroll. Oracle service. Yeah, this is it. Now you can see that it is not what started here. So what do we need to do? So Oracle service, then the name of the Oracle user. So it's bash here. So you right click and now click on what starts. So you hold on a second and let's see. So just take a second. So this is a very common error. And usually occurs after some time, maybe maybe when you use Oracle to a particular extent, and maybe you're having RAM or other components that may cause such errors. So the Oracle service is running now. Now let's go back to our SQL and close it. Then let's relog in. You can see the error is solved. Can you see? So everybody, thank you for joining my class. Our primary goal in the Bashcomtech is to ensure that you learn all the technical skills. So see you all in the next class. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.